Is your company involved in specifying fixed barcode scanning and machine vision solutions for manufacturing and distribution? Or are you in charge of delivering quality solutions to make sure you're manufacturing defect-free products? If so, I'm sure you're going to enjoy what I've got to say. As we all know, Zebra Technologies is the #1 manufacturer in the world for barcode scanning and RFID solutions. They're kind of the leader in every product segment that they deal in. That's why we at ScanTexas focus on providing Zebra solutions for all of our customers. Let's talk a little bit about why to use Zebra for fixed scanning and machine vision applications. Then let's talk about what the product line is and then how we can work together. Let's talk about the 4 reasons why you should consider using Zebra fixed scanning and machine vision solutions. The first one is Zebra's got a software development tool called Aurora that's very easy and very powerful to use to help develop any scanning and machine vision applications. Can't wait to show it to you. Number 2, Zebra has all the core competencies involved in barcode scanning as well as RFID. They've invested very heavily in acquisitions such as adaptive vision and matrix imaging in order to provide a continually new set of machine vision and deep learning algorithms to continue to help solve some of the more challenging applications. Number 3, they've got a complete product line. Let's talk about it for a second. We've got the FS10, which is USB. And by the way, all of the scanners that start with F are fixed scanning, and all the scanners that start with V are for fixed scanning and vision scanning. And by some easy in-the-field license upgrades, you can take fixed scanning scanners and turn them into vision scanning solutions. FS10, small, compact USB. This is the FS20 or VS20. It also has Ethernet capabilities. Here's the FS40 or VS40. Pretty much going to be our go-to workhorse guy. And then here is the FS or VS70. This also uses C-mount lenses inside of it for specialty applications. A couple things to note. This has a removable lens cap that lets us add additional filters for blue light, red light, white light, infrared, or other filters for polarization or etc. The next thing is that Zebra has world-class service and support that everybody has been familiar with throughout the industry. So let's talk a little bit about how we can work together. This all starts with a phone call. So call me, let's talk a little bit about what your scanning or machine vision needs or distribution scanning needs might be and see how we can help. Offer I'll make for you is if you send me a picture or a sample of what you're trying to scan or inspect, I'll send you a little video of what we can do for you before we even go any further. Hi, I'm Alyn from ScanTexas. For over 22 years, we have helped customers all across the United States develop state-of-the-art barcoding and RFID solutions. We celebrate opening a relationship more than just closing a sale. Our customers will tell us we deliver incredible results and service.